It's the first step, so I believe it's really important because we get to feel the instrument, we get to feel the sensation of the tip of the instrument onto the bone, start to realize how we'll be adapting the tip, how it will work with the angulations onto the typodont before we go ahead and do it lively on the gingival tissue.
It's a new set of instruments for us, so it is very good to start having a grasp of what instrument to use on the typodont.
Because you can actually feel the instruments and you can actually see how they work, because the different angulations and everything, it gives you a better hands-on experience. So it definitely is a must.
Person in a live surgery, it just gives you a great close-up view with the videos with this microscope, and it's also interesting to see the patient and to see the patient was completely relaxed, completely numb, and see the direction how he does it directly. It was it was very, very interesting.
It was really exciting. It was very thorough. I feel more confident doing the surgery next week in my office. So it was great. Thank you.
That you actually get to see where he's sitting, where he's positioning his body, the way that he's holding the instruments, that you don't really get even from just watching the monitors as he's doing the procedure. So it's definitely a benefit to see someone manipulate the tissues and the instruments in front of you.
Taking this course back in 2014, it's the best you can do as far as mimicking regular tissue.
Very well with the cadaver, and it's very great experience.
With the cadaver, you get a real feel for how it's going to be like on a live patient.
Very little inflammation, and it looks like it's holding exactly where it was yesterday. It's very impressive to see, and no discomfort when she even pulled back on the lip a little.
The gum looks firm, pink, with a wide band of keratinized tissue, which is obvious on the post-op picture, and I'm happy that I could see that live as well today, and I can definitely confirm that this was present, and the tissue just looked fine. The pinhole disappeared.
I definitely saw an improvement in the tissue tone. It was pink. There was an increased zone of keratinization or attached tissue, which was great. Sulca steps were 1 to 2 millimeters, so I did not see any level of inflammation or pocketing, meaning anything greater than 4 millimeters. Definitely a vast improvement from what the initial presentation was.
So yesterday, I have to admit, I was nervous because 10 years ago I did have the free gingival graft, and it was very painful. So I was a little skeptical, I have to be honest, but yesterday I felt nothing. I feel great today.